Welcome to 169 Grandville Circle in Paris. With so many amazing features to mention about this property, let's start with its location. Quick proximity to both highways 401 and 403 make this an ideal location for the commuter. Steps away from the beautiful downtown core, offering all major amenities, exquisite dining, and running along the banks of the Grand River. Literally steps away from both Catholic and public elementary schools, daycare, the gym, as well as restaurants. The home itself offers 4 and the possibility of 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, is completely finished from top to bottom, offering approximately 5,000 square feet of living space. The backyard has no rear neighbors, is a large pie-shaped lot, and features an in-ground swimming pool and a covered backyard patio. If you've been looking for a beautiful home for your family or know somebody who may be, please give Ryan a ring or reach out to your realtor today.